curious beast.
Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our eyes. Shake it once and shake it twice. Time to see the big surprise.
Crack it open.
Red like apples, bright and bold, running fast and brave and bold. Fire truck zoom heart so wide, red is full of love and pride.
And what's that sound? Something fun is jumping out. Look, a lion with a crown, roaring, dancing all around.
Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our eyes. Pink or yellow, big or small.
Yellow sunshine, warm and bright, glowing stars that shine at night. Lemon drops and rubber ducks, yellow brings the giggle ups.
Let's go crack and find them all.
Crack it open, 1, 2, 3. Out pops a buzzing bumblebee, wings so shiny, flying high, zooming fast across the sky.
Green like grass where we can play, leaves and frogs and fields of hay. Crunchy veggies, trees so high, green is nature, oh my, oh my.
Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our eyes. Spin around and count to 5. Let's go see what comes alive.
Crack it open, what's in there? A dancing bear,
Purple grapes and wizard hats, magic spells and sleepy cats, evening skies and royal light, purple dreams that shine at night.
with purple hair. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Surprise, time is super sweet.
Egg surprise, every egg's a
Blue like oceans deep and cool, splashing waves, a swimming pool. Sky so high in jeans I wear, blue is common everywhere.
big surprise. Colors, toys, and happy cheer. Let's find more and shout, yay, here! Egg surprise,
Pink like candy, soft and sweet, ballerinas on their feet. Bubble gum and flowers too, pink is love in every hue.
what's inside? Let's use our
Subscribe to my channel.